One way to think about improving the voice is we're trying to get more accurate with our vocal muscles. We've got these muscles that stretch and thin out the vocal folds, which is what allows us to sing higher. And we've got these muscles that bring the chords together, and that's how we control dynamics. Typically, when I'm working with a beginner singer, these muscles are more clumsy. And that's why when we go up higher, we have to kind of push through a lot more air, or we have to kind of over squeeze to compensate. This is just because we're missing, right? We're missing and we're not hitting that bullseye every single time with these vocal muscles. And so part of the journey of getting better is learning to become more accurate, tighten these margins so that these muscles aren't just doing these wild adjustments, either squeezing too hard or not squeezing enough. And so you'll see this in action today. I've actually got a singer who I've been working with, and you'll see in this lesson, we start off a bit more on the clumsy side, and then we slowly refine these margins so that it becomes more accurate as a singer. Now, to make the best use of today's lesson, don't just watch it and don't just observe it. Actually become an active participant and sing along with these scales and see what you can take and bring it back to your own practice sessions. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Yeah, let's give that a try.
Now I have to start pushing.
Notice how in the first part of this lesson, most of these reps are simply just missing. And this is why he has to push through a little bit more air in order to compensate. And he even says it himself, I feel like I have to push to get to the note. And so in this next part of the lesson, I actually switch him to a different sound, a bratty kind of name, to help him find a more of that cleaner, kind of more precise closure. Now, the goal here isn't necessarily to make him sound like that. This is not really the sound that we want to sing with all the time, but it's just really a way to get him to feel that cleaner, more precise closure. So come back to the nays. Nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, or if anything, go do this, right? Nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah. Keep it casual.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
So the nays are actually clean. The first one's pushing through a bit of air.
Nay, 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 nay.
Too tight. Yeah, I want that. You found it perfectly what I've been thinking. So do that again. It's changed. It's gone a bit.
Yeah.
It's not as clean as what you had before. So a bit breathy. Pretty good. Nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice, that's a better match.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Don't get any tight on the top.
I think just now what happened, like it felt like I had to hold it to actually get up to that point instead of letting the air out because I'm trying to like keep it from coming out. I don't know how to. I'm trying to like find the balance.
Of course, yeah. No, it's the right adjustment. It's good. Nice. Nice. Good. It's a bit too tight. See me back off a little bit, but don't overadjust to the breathy one. Bang, done. Nice. Yes. Yeah, the first one's a little bit too tight, but the nasal kind of pops out pretty clean. So, well, to be honest, any exercise can work. There's not really a specific exercise we need to do that will make it happen. What's really going to drive progress is like when your awareness of the margins can get clearer. Because previously you will have like these very wide margins. Right. And then every time you adjust it, it'll be like, you kind of just swing in between these examples, right? The real kind of progress is, oh, hang on, I need to do the same thing, but the margins need to be here. And the more you stay here, the better. So you can't just not squeeze at all on the closure. You can't go the other way. It has to be somewhere quite in the middle. Right? That's kind of like a huge part of the learning for you, which you're kind of experiencing here. It's good. Okay, so now notice what's happened here. We actually started off with my student pushing through a lot of air, and then we went to the nays and we found something that has helped him find more precise closures. Sometimes, actually over squeezes a little bit as well. The whole idea of this is we're trying to find a more narrow kind of margin so you can kind of just keep that closure nice and precise regardless of pitch. And so my student here has done a great job. He's able to kind of find better examples. And so this is when I start to challenge him again. What if we got rid of that first part of the exercise and we just threw him straight to that sound? Can he still find that on his own? Nice. Wow, that nay was perfect. Nice, that nay was perfect again. So now actually do this right. Now let's actually try this. If you get that clean, pause. Then hit nay by itself. So, nay. So you see we can get that nay by itself. That's the exercise. Yep. Yep. Yeah, try to get those nays to hit exactly the same. So now without the help of that first half, that's a goal. So notice they're not squeezing the same. It's kind of like slightly different. Pretty good. Yes. There. Okay. Yeah, can you make that easier though? There's something really... So the nays on the first half is really clean. The coordination is right. But also it doesn't have this big like to kind of get there. It kind of just pops out. That's the other thing you want to notice. If it just pops out clean, those are your best reps too. Yes. Changed. So yeah, let's tackle this part because already on that nay, if you listen back to it, it's so clean. It's like almost like bang on like you're hitting the bullseye pretty much most times. The moment I get you to try to find it on its own, it's hard.